Welcome to the channel, Cooking with Chef Bouka. Please don't forget, subscribe, share, like, tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's get into it. Yeah, it's your boy again, doing what we do best. So, we decided we're gonna start making some punch, some VIP punch, you know what I'm saying? Rastaman style, you know what I'm saying? When we do this kind of punch, everybody get excited in the house. Male, female. This is what's happened. Check my ingredients out. Alright, so, we have a real Jamaican peanut. You know what I'm saying? One of my own boy just flying from Jamaica to bring me some real Jamaican peanut, because normally I don't do stuff unless I got the real ingredients. Like I need to make some ackee and saltfish, and I'm not gonna do it until I get the real ackee from yard. Because you don't know anything set up. We gotta use the real stuff to execute for the dishes. Alright? So we got some of the real peanut. I got a cup and a half right here. Cashew, you know what I'm saying, raw. You know what I'm saying, not roasted, not salted. It's raw cashew. I got 1 cup right here. And you know when I say always, some okra in it as well. You feel me? You have to have that. And we have some macadamia nuts. You know what I'm saying? Some milk. We got some cinnamon. And always, you don't know, we got vanilla, but it's like VIP vanilla. You just need a pinch of it in there to make it happen. Alright? We got a pinch of salt. We're gonna put some Guinness in there because we can't go without our Guinness. Give out more flavor and kind of give it more strength. But you know what's happening? If you feel like you don't like alcohol, it's fine for you to don't put no Guinness in there. Some people put oats in there, some people don't. You know what I'm saying? Season again, a little bit of nutmeg in it. And last but not least, always a little bit pinch of salt. That's to kind of balance out the ingredients. A lot of people don't do that, but trust me, you want that in yours. Alright? So when we come back, I'm going to get into the blender and start blending up some stuff for you guys. Alright, so we're going to introduce the ingredients that you guys see. You know what I'm saying? What we're going to put into the blender so you guys know we ain't missing anything. And we had a little bit of, you know what I say? Agave, blue type, organic. You know what I'm saying? Always, I try to work with most organic stuff if I can afford it. So, a little bit of that, you know what I'm saying? Guinness for sure. So what I'm gonna start do, and just a little FYI in the okra, I let it boil for like 3 minutes on the stove, just to kind of loosen up. And if you want to do it raw, you can do it raw as well too. But what you need to do, if you're gonna do it raw, you need to make sure you get the small okras. You know, the okras that are not big enough with a lot like khaki bite into it. All right. So I'm gonna put just a little bit of this because this is like a glaze like. That's definitely a little bit too much, but it's okay. We're gonna work with that. Gonna add some agave. You can add a little bit more of that later if you want, if it's not sweet enough. Pinch of salt. So we're gonna add Guinness. I think half of it is good enough. So see how it works. We're gonna add that macadamia milk. If you have oats milk, you can use it too. If you like regular milk, I'm trying to avoid all dairy products, so that's why I'm not putting like any condensed milk or anything like that in there. But you can put that in yours if you feel like, no pressure. So here's the nuts. So this is raw peanuts and raw cashew. All right, one trying to escape, so we're trying to keep everything raw. You know what I'm saying? Now what you can do, you can put the rest, till you finish, you can put it in your fridge to cool down if your peanut is a little bit, you know what I say? To your peanut, your okra is a little bit too hot. You can put it to cool down. So basically, I think that's enough for a cup of peanut and a cup of cashew. And it's all raw. Only thing that's cooking here is the okra, and just cook a little bit for 2 minutes just to kind of keep that, simple more to blend and all that, so you don't get the tissue inside of it. Alright, so we're going to start the blending slowly. Like we didn't turn on the things. see what's happening with my plug. Make sure this is off, because you don't want to shoot all over the place. Yep. My son reset the plug. Little baby in here like to play with these things. So alright, as we said, peanut punch with okra, or okra punch with peanut, with a little bit of twist, because you know everything we do we always put a little bit of twist to it. Check me out. So it's a little bit foamy on top, but that's okay, because you know anything you blend with a little bit of like nuts and all that, you always give off a little bit of foam. So Guinness, nutmeg, you know what I say, vanilla, all the necessary stuff, macadamia, milk, you know what I say. We have cashew, peanut, pinch of salt, agave. So we're gonna try a glass of it, or maybe half a glass of it. You know what? I already tried some, so I'm just gonna take one for the camera. But trust me, you can't lose off this. Can't. Good, it's nice, excellent. So don't forget, hit that notification bell. You know what I'm saying? Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know what I'm saying? And don't forget, the likes are very important. Hit the likes, alright? Appreciate you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Stick with us, because we're going to do great things. Enjoy the rest of your week. That's the end of the video. Don't forget, like, share, hit the notification bell. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Peace.